This video, children, we are going to sing a song about groceries. Okay, so at the grocery store. Okay, so now let's start. Now sing a song, children, along with me. You have to do the action. Okay, at the grocery store, everything you need and more. Okay, at the grocery store, you should do the action because here is impossible. Okay, because it is online, so you should do the action by yourself, children. So at the grocery store, find everything you need and more. Okay, you will get more and more each thing, each grocery, that is mean. Okay, saffron and cinnamon, you know saffron, okay, which is orange in color. It give a nice taste and smell to our foods, and at the same time cinnamon also. Okay, cinnamon also, it gives good flavor to our food and are not very common, isn't it? Mostly all the peoples, they are not using this one, saffron. Okay, it cost more, it's expensive. Okay, grains and sprout. So we are using, usually we are eating grains and sprout beans. Eat them without a doubt because it gives more proteins and carbohydrates, isn't it? Yeah. Almonds and dates also very useful to our body. Share them in mates. You should share, okay, almonds and dates to your classmates, to your friends, to your neighbors. Okay. And milk and oil, can't pack them with a foil. Okay, we cannot pack milk in the foil paper, isn't it? It's come in a tetra pack. In the even oil also, oil come in the bottle, you can say olive oil. Okay, in the glass bottles or in the jar or in the plastic pack. Okay. Now get these to your door because the grocery store people, what they are doing, whatever you are ordering grocery, they are, okay, sending to your house, okay, by a keeper from the grocery store. So from the grocery store we used to take everything. Now you have understood, children, what it says. Okay, in the grocery shop you can get each and everything. Okay, fruit and vegetable. Let's move on to our lesson. Okay, children, so here our topic is, heading is Varun's day out. Okay, so there is a one character named Varun and his mother, okay, Amma. So here it was a warm sunny day, okay, perfect for a picnic. Okay, so you know when you will used to go to picnic, usually we used to go evening time, that is also in the summer time. Okay, so now here Amma, who is the character of this Varun's day out. Amma, I am bored at home, said Varun. Okay, he is feeling bored by sitting inside the home. So he wants to go out to celebrate his day. So his mother said that they could go out for a picnic in the park. Okay. What she said? She said she want to go out for a picnic. Okay. So a picnic sound exciting, said Varun. Okay. So by listening the name itself, picnic, he was excited and dancing and singing in the excited mood. They sat down and made a list of things to do and a list of things to eat. Okay, so what they have to do? They have to decide what things they have to take to picnic, what all other things they have to buy for picnic, to eat there, to enjoy. Then both of them, okay, they sat on an auto. Okay, so they took an auto to the market to buy groceries. Okay, so what they did, they decided to purchase some types of groceries. Okay, so at the vegetable shop, Varun asked, can we buy fresh carrots? We can make a tasty salad and we should add in our diet. Okay, children, so he wants to eat salad. In the salad, carrot is very useful ingredient. We should eat regularly carrots. Okay, it's good for our eyes. And Amma smiled. Sure. Okay, Varun was curious. About what? Curious means anything he wants to know about, anything, new things he wants to know. That is known as curious. At the two similar looking vegetables and asked, what are they called? He saw two different types of vegetable in the market. So he wants to know of these two vegetables. Okay, because he was unfamiliar with this vegetable. So Amma smiled and answered, the one that is white inside, okay, is called ash gourd. Okay, and the other is pumpkin. Okay, and the other is pumpkin. So these two vegetables look similar, but they have different vitamins. Okay, so I will show the picture of ash gourd, children. Even you also visit the market, so you will know what different types of vegetables is available in our market. So you should familiar with all different types of vegetables and fruits, isn't it? You should visit to market. So then Varun and Amma crossed the fruit shop. Okay, Varun said, Amma, I think we need some fruits for the picnic. Yes, it's a good idea. Okay, for the picnic also we can take fruits. Okay, fruit is a healthy, and eat fruits regularly. You will not get weight. Okay, so fruits, it's good for health. Varun had already decided. What he decided? He had decided which fruit he wanted. You know, he wanted the big green, okay, and juicy watermelon. So you know, your favorites is, children's favorites fruits is watermelon, isn't it? So not just that, he also wanted the reddish yellow ripe. Okay, very delicious mango from the stalls. Okay, so from the stall he wants mango also along with the watermelon. So now Amma, there are so many types of rice. Now Amma's turn. Amma saying, what she is saying? She is saying there are so many types of rice and cereals. Okay, here, should we buy some? Yes, of course, we should eat grain regularly. So we should buy the grain also, and rice is our staple food, isn't it? We should eat, then only you will get energy to work, okay, for our daily requirements.